note.
Fans are in shock. John Cena has tapped out. It's been over 20 years since that man has tapped out. This is not the way that anyone wanted this legendary career to end.